Hey, my name is James Reed over here at Gabella CEO, and today I'm going to show you 3 tips to how to increase your online presence. So I did a little bit of scoping. So I went to some other citations, and you had your link to your website, but I guess it's not working. So I guess I'll go ahead and show you your competitors. So compare number one, Mr. Electric. It just loads up. Volt Electrical. Let me just move this right here. And then you got Light Electric. Okay, so tip number one is keywords. So essentially, keywords are words that are located within your website multiple times, and those keywords is going to help you increase your online presence. For one, your first competitor, Electric, 36 times, Service, 31 times, and the density. Less density means um, the higher rank for those keywords. So if you get a density that's higher, that's way high, let's say for instance like 10%, those keywords are going to be harder to rank. And so also too, another side note to that first tip, Google loves 15 to 2,000 words on your website. The more the 15 to 2,000 words on your website, the more the keywords. So you definitely need those keywords when you're typing in a website such as this big. And this who you have the top right here, Mr. Electric. He's at 1,946 words. And then here's your second competitor. Your second competitor is Volt Electric, and then his keywords are 628, and not the greatest, but it's definitely doing some damage. Electrical and his website is found 42 times. Augusta 19 times, 12 times, and essentially, the only thing he's missing is he needs a little bit more words on his page. 15 to 1,500, 2,000 for any website. And then your third competitor is Light Electric, and I'm about to pull you up. Move this out the way. And he's not looking so great. He only got 81 words on his website, and you can tell how many times it repeats on his website. Only twice for all of it. And so, in order for you to get a front and get ahead of these guys, if you need 15 to 2,000 words, and you need a whole lot of keywords on your website, you need electric. Not really as much as you can, but just decent amount. Like how the first competition is 36. He's got it in his title, and he's got it in his meta description. And so that brings me to my second tip. Tip number two is backlinks. And so essentially, when I say backlinks, backlink is kind of like a popularity contest of which website is doing the greatest that Google approves of. So I'll just give you a good example right here. So this is your first competitor, however. And let's see, 41 links, not bad. Um, so I guess they're trying to increase their popularity with other websites. So also essentially backlinks also too. What they do is the more you get in traffic and an engagement on your website, Google starts to see that, and they start to trust you, which in turns they spread your links out to all these different websites, so you can be also found on different websites as well. And then here's your second competitor. I'm gonna pull him up as well. Oh, oh no, it erased. I'll get that right back up. Let's see, I'm gonna go to diagnostic and they processing. Come on, give it to me. Come on, come on. Okay, here we are. He got 214 backlinks. So the thing is for your second competitor is he may be lacking in words and a little bit of keywords. Like I said, he's got 686, but he's definitely got trust with Google, which Google is spreading his links throughout the rest of Google and their website as well. And then also your third competitor right here. I'm gonna pull him up as well. And he too also is 151, which I think I already did that one. Let's see. No. Yep. Yeah, definitely him. Yeah, he's got 151 backlinks. Like it says, popularity contest. Um, Google sees and watches your site, and then wants to spread those links of your website to different pages, kind of like almost like ASDO, but not quite. And then your third and final tip is citations. So what I mean when I say citations, I'm just going to give you a good example right here. All right, so I took the liberty of, do a little recon. And so here are your citations. Like citations basically business, email, um, business number, and business address. So this is how many times that you're found on the citation. This is how many citations you have. Like you can be found on MapQuest. You can be found DMB. You can be found on Facebook. You can be found on Yelp. You can be found on Business Bear Bureau. You can be found multiple different times, and it seems like you got some good citations. So I'm just gonna leave this video off with here. Um, So once again, if you decide you want to, continue this conversation down the road, I'd be more than likely to fill you in. Once again, I can help you out with website as well and get it all running. But hey, if you don't want to do that, no hard feelings. So most important thing is get those backlinks, get those citations up, and you'll do good on Google. And once again, my name is James Reed over here at Gabella CEO, and I pray you have a good day.